Our topic of discussion for today is symbiotic relationship or symbiotic mode of nutrition. Symbiotic means sharing. What's the meaning of sharing? That is give and take. Is it so? Or there is a mutual exchange. Or we can use another name, that is the partnership. So, what kind of relationship or what kind of nutrition it is? In this, some organisms live together to share. What they are sharing? Symbiotic means sharing. What they are sharing? Shelter and food with each other. One is giving shelter, other one is giving food. So they are having mutual exchange of the things. There are two things. One is shelter, other one is food. When the two organisms are living together, they are having the partnership with each other. Then that relationship is called symbiotic relationship. For example, some fungus live in the roots of trees. फंगस को शेल्टर किसने दिया? ट्री ने. और ट्रीज को फंगस क्या देगा? These fungi take food from the trees, in return help the trees in absorbing water and nutrients. फंगस ने क्या दिया उसको? हेल्प करी टू एब्जॉर्ब द वाटर एंड न्यूट्रिएंट. और ट्री ने उसको क्या दिया? फंगस टेक फूड फ्रॉम द trees. So that relationship is called symbiotic relationship. So one of the most important question from this chapter related to the lichens or the lichens. There is a partnership between alga that is green in color. You saw them. That is, there are green patches in the ponds. जहाँ भी पानी खड़ा होता है, that area is having green color patches. That green color patches are, there is algae growth. This alga is giving food. Because it is green in color, it is able to prepare its food with the which process? Which process is there? Yes, photosynthesis. Whereas the fungus, we discussed it earlier that fungus are not able to prepare their food. So how they are sharing the things with each other? This alga is going to give food to the fungus, and in return this fungus is giving water and mineral and shelter to the alga, and their combination is called lichens or the lichens. And these lichens are the good indicator of air pollution. That is a very important thing related to this. In the areas where the pollution is more, there would be the lesser amount of these lichens. So they are the good indicator of air pollution. Is it clear to all? What is symbiotic relationship? When the organism, one is giving food, other one is giving shelter. That relationship is called symbiotic relationship. I hope everything is clear to you.